Good day everyone, welcome to Studio 39 Design Studio. This is Richman speaking, your head designer. In this video tutorial, we are going to be modeling this public stair and ramp combination. I for one really like it because it's design savvy and it's pleasing to the eye. Before we start, I would like to encourage you guys to like, comment and subscribe to this channel because I do videos like this every week. With that said, let's get on with the tutorial. Firstly, start by setting out your workspace for a smooth and hassle-free environment. Starting off with the center line and offsetting it 4 meters on each side, meaning the stair will be 8 meters wide, and then the landing for the ramp will be 1 meters on each side. Go ahead and use the wall tool for the sides of the stairway. You can also set your preferred surface color. I for one am using stucco white. Select the line at the start of the stairway and use the multiplier or Ctrl U to set the tread sizes. Using the spread method with a spacing of 280 millimeters, add 3 more lines. Draft a line diagonally from one side to the other for the ramp parameter and drag a copy as indicated. Drag another copy up 280 millimeters. Mirror it as indicated. Now you can go ahead and trim the first set of treads and define the starting landing and create the next set of treads as indicated using the previous multiply method. Extend the new treads to the other side of the stairway. Trim them by holding down the Ctrl key. Drag and copy the edge of the second ramp to create the other edge. Mirror a copy and move it up 280 millimeters. And drag another copy for the third ramp edge. Mirror a copy of the second set of treads and move them as indicated. Now we can start using solid elements. Using the slab tool, simple structure method, set your pens and the reference plane location set to bottom. Set the thickness to 170 millimeters for the size of the risers. Also set your preferred surface material. Draw your first step. For the rest of the steps, we will be using the multiplier spread method, spacing set to 280 millimeters and the vertical displacement to 170 millimeters for the risers. Stretch the last steps to cover the landing area. For the ramps, we are going to be using the roof tool, which structure set to symbol. We will adjust the angle in 3D, but the starting point should be 0. Roof edge angle set to vertical. Use the single plane geometry method, also known as the monopitch roof. First, set the lower point of the roof and draw the parameter of the ramp. If it's not showing, properly set your pens and also set your floor plan display to outline only. Trim the edges of the ramp to match. Now go ahead and stretch the steps to meet the ramp edge. In 3D, the bottom edge of the ramp should be at the lowest starting point. And the top edge should meet the landing using the change roof pitch selection method. The steps are a bit clumsy. Let's try and fix that. In 3D, you can adjust the steps to meet the ramp or roof element properly as indicated. On the plan view, you can add or subtract to the polygon for a cleaner look. As you can see, the edge meets each other much better. While you are at it, you can set your preferred surface materials. Now mirror a copy of the first set of steps and move them to where you'd want the second set of steps. Go ahead and adjust the edges to meet the ramp. Using the multiplier again, you can create the rest of the missing steps. Just make sure your vertical displacement is set to 170 millimeters. Adjust the edges to meet the second ramp again. Check if it worked out in 3D and adjust the steps edges accordingly. On the floor plan view, add and subtract to the polygon to clean up the edge of the ramp or roof too. Have a quick look-see in 3D. Everything looks good. Luckily, when one ramp is done, you can copy it to the positions of the two other ramps because they are the same in size and shape. You will only have to mirror the ramp where needed and adjust the steps to properly meet the ramp edge. Go ahead and add the first landing. Also adjust the walls. Drag a copy for the last ramp. Do the same for the third set of steps and mirror them accordingly. Drag a copy for the last landing and stretch it accordingly. Drag a copy for the last set of steps also delete what you don't need. And there you have it, folks. Hope you enjoyed this video tutorial as much as I enjoyed creating it. The only thing to do now is to make a quick render. Just a side note, one thing I like about ArchiCAD is the ability to design in 3D. Not many softwares have that flexibility. Once again, do like, comment, and subscribe to this channel because I do videos like this every week. Love you guys, God bless you, and goodbye.